Good morning and thanks for being here today. It's just me, Kim, solo in this video again. Kathleen is currently road tripping her way through Yellowstone, so she is gone for the week, but eventually we will get back to filming videos together, promise. Today I'm filming a What I Eat in a Day, and let me tell you guys, I picked a great day to do this. So not only is it Thursday, which means we are running out of groceries for the week, and I am running out of energy for the week, but we're going to get our way through this video and I'm going to share with you guys what kind of meals I can scrounge up with whatever we have left in the kitchen. Let's get started with breakfast because I am really hungry. I just finished a workout and I'm really sweaty, so I would like to take a shower, and I'm sure you guys would like to not be looking at my sweaty face anymore. So I'm gonna get started on breakfast and then I'm gonna take a shower. Yes. And I'm gonna finish this coffee. Quick side note about my iced coffee. So I'm usually a tea drinker, but I just love the taste of iced coffee on a hot day. So this is actually half calf because I'm a little wimp. It's half decaf and half regular coffee so that I can enjoy the flavor without getting the anxiety and the jitters that I usually get if I drink like a full cup of coffee. So for breakfast today, I'm switching it up. I'm doing something a little different, and I'm doing something sweet instead of savory. Usually for breakfast, I'll have toast with avocado or toast with banana and peanut butter, but I'm out of banana and I'm out of avocado. I thought this would be a good opportunity to do something to try a recipe that I've been wanting to try for a really long time, which is chocolate granola and an acai smoothie bowl. Acai? You guys know what fruit I'm talking about. Smoothie bowl. Now let me switch the angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. For my granola base, I'm gonna do 1 cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, I don't know, 1/2 cup of pecans. I'm also gonna do a couple spoonfuls of flaxseed and a couple spoonfuls of chia seeds. Just gonna give that a stir real quick to see that I'm liking my ratio of oats to nuts. I think I might add a little bit more pecans. I just really like granolas that are heavy on nuts and seeds because they're very filling. To sweeten the granola up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 3 tablespoons, question mark, of this coconut oil. I may add more if it looks dry, but I'm gonna start with 3. Then I'm gonna add quite a bit of honey. That's 1, 2. Okay, I ended up adding a couple more tablespoons of coconut oil so that the mixture looks all nice and moist, just like that, just like so. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna watch it carefully for 8 minutes. It smells really good. I'm just gonna give this a stir so it gets evenly crisp. And this is gonna go back in for another 10 minutes. The granola is cooling down, and so now I'm ready to make the smoothie bowl. For the smoothie, I'm using 2 of these unsweetened acai packets. Why are these so hard to get out? Okay. There we go. I'm also adding a cup of this frozen berry blend. I'm also gonna add some protein powder to this as well. This is a peanut butter protein that my friend shared with me. I've never tried it before, but thought it'd be good to try it now. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons because I'm sharing this with my husband, so. Okay, and like 3-ish. I want the smoothie to be extra thick, so I'm gonna start with just 1/4 cup of almond milk and then add more as necessary. There we have it, folks, an acai smoothie bowl with some chocolate granola and coconut flakes on top. Okay, what do you think?
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, thanks.
I'm enjoying the granola way more. So I think I might just have the granola with some coconut yogurt next time, or the smoothie part of this smoothie bowl is just not quite there. But I'm glad I tried to make this dish, tried something new. There's room for improvement, so there we go. This granola does taste like Cocoa Puffs though, like in a good way. Look who decided to take a shower. For lunch, I'm making chickpea salad sandwiches, and this is kind of a staple in our house. We love to have it for lunch, so I usually make a big batch of it, which means we can have it tomorrow when we go on our picnic. It's a really great picnic item. So yeah, let me show you how I make it. So in my food processor, I'm gonna put about 3/4 cup of cooked chickpeas. So the second ingredient in this chickpea salad recipe is veganese. And I just grabbed our jar out of the fridge, and it is like, it's got 1 tablespoon left in there. So here's me vigorously whisking away, trying to make a homemade mayonnaise. Anywho, back to the task at hand. To my chickpeas, I'm adding 1/2 a cup of my weird mayonnaise slash veganese mixture. Yes, I went through all that for 1/2 a cup. A few pinches of salt and about 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm gonna blend this until it is nice and smooth. Now that we've got this smooth mixture here, I'm gonna add about 2 more cups of our cooked chickpeas. And then I'm gonna pulse this a couple times so that we get a rough chop. Into the bowl is gonna go 2 stalks of celery sticks chopped up, giant handful of dill pickle relish. If you have fresh dill weed, that would be ideal, but we're all out, so I'm using whatever this is, a light tablespoon. That looks good. To finish this off, I'm just gonna add a bit of pepper and a few more pinches of salt. So I'm gonna serve up my chickpea salad sandwich with some toasted Ezekiel bread. If you're not hip to the Ezekiel bread by now and you're not gluten-free, you should definitely try it. Ezekiel bread is so good for you. It is flourless, so it's made from sprouted grains, which means that it is a complete plant-based protein source, which is so hard to find. So anytime that I can get a complete protein that's plant-based in my diet, I am going to take it. We also have this peach that is just about to go bad, so I'm gonna have 1/2 a peach with my sandwich. There she is, chickpea salad on some toast with spinach. First bite. It's as good as it's always been. If you guys like tuna salad sandwiches and you're looking for a vegan or vegetarian version of that, this is where it's at. And if you're like me and you're a very active person, you're gonna like this meal because it has a pretty good amount of plant-based protein. Like I mentioned before, the Ezekiel bread has protein and it's a complete protein, and chickpeas also have a ton of protein in it as well. I like to take note of the amount of protein my meals have because I feel like protein is one of the things that keeps me full for a longer amount of time so that I don't end up snacking or eating a bunch of food and then feeling hungry like 15 minutes later. Okay, so it is dinner time and I don't really have any energy left to cook with heat. And it's also very hot in this house. So for dinner, I'm making a quinoa salad. For this salad, I'm going to cut up some tomatoes that are from our garden. I'm also gonna peel some oranges. I feel like a salad really isn't a salad unless it has a fruit in it. I'm going to peel or deshell these roasted pistachios. Oof, how long do you think it's gonna take me to deshell all of these? The answer, for those of you who are wondering, is 5 minutes. It took me 5 minutes. I also want to chop up a couple scallions because I just remembered how tasty scallions are when you fry them. Now for the salad dressing. This is basically the dressing that I use on every single salad, and it is a little bit of olive oil, a splash of apple cider vinegar, a little squirt of Dijon, a splash of lemon juice. Don't ask me why we have lemon juice in a bottle. A clove of minced garlic, few cracks of the pepper wheel, and just a touch of honey to balance out the acidity. I've got my pre-cooked quinoa here. I made this last night. For my greens, I'm using a handful of arugula. I think I'll do a handful of spinach as well. You know, why not? The more greens, the merrier. I'm trying to make it look aesthetic, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And there's dinner. Excuse me, pardon me.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Excuse me. Okay, clearly. Oh, hi, sweetie. Okay. Oh, look at us, all having dinner together. Okay. Clearly, we are those people that eat their dinner in front of the TV. Mm-hmm. But we have a really good show that we're into right now. It's Biohackers on Netflix. Very good. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our dinner, watch some TV, have some cuddles with our pups. Do you want to do my outro for me?
Make sure to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And of course, ring the bell.
Great job, babe.
Thanks.
Alright. Bye, everyone.
Bye.